Let's learn the good habits. So, the first is when we meet someone, we should say Assalamu alaikum and shake hand. To comment salam is sunnah and to reply the salam is wajib. And what's the reply of salam? It's wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Another good habit is we should keep our hand clean. Always wash hands before and after taking meals, after using toilet and playing, so that germs may not enter into your stomach to make us ill. Number third good habit is we should always say Bismillah before start eating. We should always eat with our right hand and we should take as much food as we can easily finish. We should always drink water with our right hand and breathing thrice. We must drink water sitting as our beloved Prophet ﷺ has forbidden us to drink water standing. My dear kids, it is well known saying that health is wealth. The cleanliness of teeth is very important for our health and we should clean our teeth regularly. We should take special care of cleanliness of our hands and for this we should cut nails properly to avoid germs entering into our mouth. We should adopt the habit of cleanliness. It keeps us healthy and it's a great virtue too. Our Holy Prophet ﷺ said, cleanliness is half for our faith and we should take bath regularly. And you know, dear kids, namaz is farz on every Muslim. So, we must offer prayer 5 times a day. If any of our friends or relatives get ill, we should visit him. Paying visit to the sick is a virtue. Our beloved Prophet ﷺ said, he who visits the sick continues to remain in the fruit garden of paradise until he returns. Another good habit you have to learn, dear kids, and it is to give gifts to others. The exchange of gifts create an environment of love and friendship. So, we should exchange gifts as gesture of goodwill. And you know, we should not be jealous of other things. Jealousy is a sin. According to a hadith, avoid jealousy, for it destroys good deeds as fire destroys the woods. And we should always ask permission before entering someone's house and even to our own parents' and siblings' room. It is a good habit to apologize for our mistakes. And we should say sorry if we do a mistake. We should always put our hand on our mouth whenever we yawn, as it is always from the devil. And here is a eating manner. We should chew with our mouths closed. We shouldn't talk or giggle while eating. When we are finished, we must clean our spout at table. Punctuality is the key to success. A punctual student is able to complete his task on time, and we should always arrive school in time. We must practice discipline while we are at public place. We should wait for our turn when we are standing in a queue. To keep environment clean and healthy, always put the garbage in the dustbin. Don't separate garbage here and there.